Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add money on the ETRADE app. The first thing I want you to do is launch the ETRADE app, come at the bottom right, click on menu, and here under menu, you'll actually see transfer money. I want you to click on this, and if you don't have an account yet, what you can do is just come here, click on add an external account. Okay, tap on this. It will give you two options. You can either do instant verification, so basically you log into your bank to verify your new account, or you can do manual verification. Use your bank account and routing numbers to verify your new account. Okay, but this method can take up to 3 days, and you can add money through that. So you choose manual verification, let's say, and then you need to enter these details: your bank routing number, account number. You re-enter the account number, account nickname. Of course, you need to select the account type, what it is. Let's say it's a checking account, savings account, for example, and then choose that. And of course, you need to toggle this one off, confirm the terms. Click here on continue, and then you'll be able to add your money. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.